Need cash fast but unsure if your PayPal credit has your back? Let's break down how to potentially snag a cash advance, what it cost you, and some maybe better options. First things first, accessing a cash advance from PayPal credit isn't directly possible like with some regular credit cards. PayPal credit primarily functions for online purchases at retailers that accept PayPal and is not intended for direct cash withdrawals. To see if you qualify for any alternative cash options through PayPal, log into your PayPal account, click on the PayPal credit option if it's visible on your dashboard. Not everyone sees this functionality. On the PayPal credit summary page, look carefully for any cash advance or loans offers. If you see something like that, click on it. These are not standard cash advances like from a bank. These are specific loan offers with varying terms. Before you even think about proceeding, understand the fees and interest rates. PayPal loan interest rates are typically higher than those of many credit cards. Calculate the total cost, including any origination fees, to see if it's truly worth it. Watch out for potential hidden fees. Read all the fine print. There might be penalties for late payments or early repayment. Before taking out a PayPal credit cash offer, explore alternatives. Can you budget better, sell unused items, or explore a short-term loan from a credit union? Getting a second job is also a valid option and may be worth it. Taking cash loans might be easier but isn't always the best solution. Knowing the details, fees, and other resources you can access will help you make the right choice.